Mbanga alias Ndingaman. Na time this for we for bro na tori. The first story we will get on for ISO, countryman, countrywoman. Now some very bad news we come up for that side for Kuptamo, now some side for that side for Noon Division. That means say for West Region for Cameroon. What it happen? So young girl, what I come up for side to 4 man picking them. I say 4 man picking them, they catch it. They catch that young girl, they take it, put it for down. Adam and Eve. Now so they chop the apple fruit saute, they chop the apple. It not correct, say they do and so. Say they don't chop apple, finish me they go. Countryman, countrywoman, they torture the girl. That means say they knock him, saute, the kwara. He sleep straight like ruler. Now so the people go. So now where they talk for now so countryman, countrywoman, police. If they see them for the matter, they want to see what and what happen. They want to catch that boy them. But so take a reach now, they never catch them. Countryman, countrywoman, will remain also for Kuptamo, for that side for Noon Division, for West Region. What happen for Kuptamo again? Somehow he get small buru. Yes, you know some people way so when they know they get small buru, the buru reward them. Again small buru. What happen? Countryman, countrywoman. Now that wait, he get small land Palava with some papa. They start the quarry with the papa. He just come on, knock the papa, broke the papa in foot, and then some witness be there for corner where he tells what you do so. Now what kind of thing you do so? He choke the man, kill him. As he choke the man with knife, kill him. He run enter his house. Quarter come out. They come, they want Nagi to him 1 million, he give them for bribe them. 80 say the matter don't finish. That group we can actually we can for Nagi we give them 1 million, we bribe them. They go tell the second group, say don't give me money, una go now, una do the matter. Now so the second group go, they not call police. They catch him, they knock him, knock the rich man, kill him, burn his house. That's what happen for that side. For Kuptamo, countryman, countrywoman. So other matter day. Yes. Before I want to come up for go for outside Cameroon, I will tell you now this other matter. So prison guard, so my way to work for prison. Now he says again name he talks say you know the fear. He say he name na Delphine. He work for prison for that side for Garwa. He say oga kwata them for Ngata for that side for Garwa where they work. He oga kwata one take ye, turn it back, put up for ground. And then the man they make a like say na force. He must accept or he must accept. He say no, I not tell the toit. The man only insists. He say no, I not tell the toit. I get my man, I not tell the toit. You are not tell the toit. I don't want to do the thing with you. Now so Delphine talk for he oga kwata for Ngata for that side for Garwa. The man now want punish him for sending for police. Now we don't vex. He don't make some audio, he put them for outside. He don't turn on a campaign, or say me to stop by forcing. Yes, no mean by force. If woman don't deny you, he don't deny you. You know go use na by force, say you want enter it down below. You know correct, no mean the way that they do. You tell woman correct small. When the woman deny, you leave it quiet. You know correct so. Voila. People they doing na oga them, baby patron them for some workplace. They are working only for begin make pressure on top people. They are woman then get them. Even though they no married, put pressure for them because you want to turn their back, put her for ground for chop their Adam fruit. Countryman, countrywoman. Before we come for Cameroon, we'll talk about this matter sweet. This matter Adam fruit. What happen? Some small picking for that side for Ghana, where they go to university. He name na Chris. He want go, he get friend he has, na university today for hostels them. He go meet up, he get friend, he did knock under the table with his other man. They no lock door, they just feed their free, they do their thing. He enter, bam, he look am. Dang, dang, dang. He had one cut for inside belly. I say he had one fall enter his belly. So how you do? What to be reaction? Countryman, countrywoman, they begin go he has. You friend them, he like telephone for Twitter, what they call an X. He put rope, he tie him for up, for ceiling, he hang himself, he die. Now so he sleeps straight like a ruler. For sikandolo lamu esenjengalewa, eba saani kandolo eningalewa. Palava mbolo, easy countryman, countrywoman. Over the weekend, when I see some picture, that picture and that video, it will go viral. That means say plenty people they watch out for plenty time. Now what it happen? Now that journalist they call it say Sam Severin Ango. Sam Severin Ango, all man knows say we get problem in a former woman. The chakara. But before the one chakara, that the woman be don't be in town. They will don't do some business for where they be a clinic for that side for a Palava. The woman don't come back. He talk say he no one see Sam Severin Ango for that place. And then the chakara Sam Severin Ango come up for us. He move all things for us. Even put them for motor. He move up. He can't chop with them. So the woman there for that side for the clinic Sunday. He want see Sam Severin Ango. They want to come for that direction. If the Sam Severin Ango no be no say he did it. He just start snap at one time problem. And then there was some picking. I don't know whether I picking on a brother or a cousin. But the boy started to stop Sam Severin Ango. Sam Severin Ango said, ne me stoppez pas. Je vais te montrer le montrement. Ne me stoppez pas. Je vais te montrer le montrement. Bag. They start begin asking for the countrywoman. Now so the thing happen. The woman now explain and say, Sam Severin Ango don't make you don't lost plenty money. And then no be na only that one. He don't make that business for clinic. Where the man be promising all kind thing them. He don't invest about 40 million for the matter. And then he say as close cree. That means saying a 419. Waiting the try for do now for carry and go for court. He don't go court with the matter. So they carry tomorrow. They never finish the judgment. The matter they see go up. The matter they see go down. Now so it happened for that side for a Palava over the weekend with the Sam Severin Ango. Countryman, countrywoman. We go continue for give una the news. Una know all una. They want to be no secret. Say Pope John Paul, Pope Francis, sorry. John Paul we don't die since. Rising too we don't die since. And now Pope Francis, eto'o, he don't go. Pope Francis don't go. He go the other day for ABC, AVC, RVC. High blood pressure, yes. Now he make kwara. So now in 15 days, according to our Catholic Church, their law, we hear say in 15 days time, people will know who be the new pope. Who be the new pope? Say they go vote the new pope. Now so the thing they countryman, countrywoman. This time around, est-ce que go be na African pope? When they just ask that question, oh, est-ce que na African pope they go put on for the place? We come up for that side for Pope Palava. Countryman, countrywoman. We enter for Ndiki Miniki. Now for here for Cameroon. What you happen for Ndiki? So woman, it come up bangai. That means say for Germany. I skin this against voila. Now for that country where come out. Angel, he come, he enter country. He see and say investment where we invest for country. Hey brother and his uncle, they will take that money. They don't move their team for their belly. They match up. They don't do nothing. He vex one time. Countryman, countrywoman. What it happen? They feeling a fongata. Direct. One way fongata. So he lock the fongata and then for sure they say they know they play with you. You know they for begin yoke. No mean a yoke matter. You yoke with me, I yoke with you. You yoke with Mamburu, I carry you, I put you for Ngata. Another one, since we talk about Palava Ngata for here, countryman, countrywoman. Sometimes the perica, it go finish for Ngata. Now for Douala here, for that side for Makepe, Misokewe, the one pass. Countryman, countrywoman. The periphery, it is from town. Il I reme, il I play with reme the keep do, il I play with reme the keep do. Reme do kimburu sote, the buru don't be 700,000. 700,000 prefer saying at the moment that with me I will enter for action. he enter action now. Countryman, countrywoman, he chakara the small box way, maybe the kiburu for inside. Let me don't go walk. Let me want turn back. Peripheral for 17 years, it don't chop him with 700,000. Now die from Makepe Musoke. Remedy cry, sister they cry, all man they cry. Then my simple question I say, why you no go put am for bank for put am for security? Now say you fear bank on a waiting. That peripheral now you didn't have for outside. You don't take that money and say one go Europe because I know some peripheral and the way they get courage. You don't today I don't take the Mburu say one cross go for outside. That money go finish, you go see can find your mommy. Go give your mommy money. No matter so they do. For do Palava cross, una must organize and so all man did okay. But say me Maramangulu bete. Matter you know come out again. So peripheral don't chop with the 700 kolo. 700 kolo. Wherever don't knock skin. Zung. Sote. The money don't reach that 700 kolo. Another matter. Now some fake commissioner for police. If he talk say the commissioner will get 4-star. He don't do pan canteen for people there. He say you want go police school, come tell me. If you want go to police school, a day here, I will send you for police school. And then he victim them. They will spend how much? From 200,000 to 1 million for say me put them in police school. He don't announce them for quarter. Say very soon he will get the 5-star. Say he just na decree where Paul Abeya he go sign am and then he go get 5-star. Now that they don't put hand for you because at the end, it may be a fake police commissioner. Fake police commissioner. They don't handcuff you. It goes in na for Isangata. Countryman, countrywoman. We talk about it again. We talk about this commissioner for police. We name that Commissaire Menge. What happen with the Commissaire Menge for a house for that side for Yaoundé? They talk say, go work. If he work, he come back for us. If he stay na one, and then enough commissioner 4-star, he go get high blood pressure. What they call it? Say AVC. Now so he kwara for us. High be na one. They want discover a corpse where he don't be in a state of decomposition. Now so the thing go pass for that side for Yaoundé, countryman, countrywoman. So we tell them and the family say, Asia, we no say no easy. Now we sing that small song. Now so the welly day, now so the welly day, now so the welly day, now so the well. You go for has daika chu, now so the welly do commissaire. Oh na family for commissaire. May they tie their heart, countryman, countrywoman. Countrywoman, as the Pope die, I will talk about Pope. As the Pope die, what happen? Now you see say plenty people they don't send any message. All president them, they send a message. They send message for Catholic Church, for Vatican. They talk say, well, sorry, for Kenya, for Nigeria, for Congo, for Kinshasa, plenty message, condolence messages them way people they send them for that Palava Pope. Even Samuel Eto'o published some picture where he Pope they be snap with the woman Georgette. And so we see him we understand. Say to be done Pope with the woman. And so they think they countryman, countrywoman. Countrywoman matter for Ndamba now. What did they happen for Palava Ndamba? Na tiwo this year. Victoria United they win PWD the other day. It's in a 2-1, 2-0. Coach for PWD, sorry, David Pagu, he vexed, he accused referee, and then plenty people they accuse referee. Say referee they know to do their work well. Say he didn't say some fraud matter. It go on with the referee them. Now what happen? We ask ourselves question, better question them. Now all man the vexed, who the vexed? Some president for club. And if we look at where the vacants, you see their club, it is for very difficult situation them. And a club them, they want go, let's say, they will go forward. Okay, another news, countryman, countrywoman. Now say, for that side, for Montague, where Cameroon we go, we pass, pass fine, that Montague tournament, Now France, he don't win the tournament. France, he don't win the title. He play against Vandy. Now what happen? They win up and then they get the title 5-1. That's more French speaking them. They knock down Damba. So they people confirm say Perika them. Una di nang Damba. Una di nang Damba. Una kunu for nang Damba. Countryman, countrywoman. Una no say what we come for here. Na for give una all can tori we. Na fine tori. So na for here we go put end for our Palava tori for this day. Una know what una self. We'll come back with a better tori for una. Then una know how I always tell una. Be very important. I always tell una say, if una see my back, una no say my belly it did for before. Now so small time again.